API to me is not just a company, it's like my life. A company that I think is doing something right for the industry and for the world, that we are creating something helping the world to be better.
API has always been a formidable competitor with respect to innovation, inventing the technology in dimensional metrology, the laser tracker. What makes API different from other dimensional metrology businesses? We are not the leaders as far as volume of dollars, but what we are the innovators of the industry.
Continuous innovation, meaning that we're constantly developing new ideas, and willing to invest in it. I think the biggest assets of API is really the people. Over the years, we work together, developing technologies, working with the customer.
The innovativeness of people here and the willingness to step up and that desire to succeed is really what makes this company achieve the results that it achieves.
Nothing beyond measured. I mean, in a very direct interpretation of that is, it's nothing that we cannot measure. Okay, but in a deeper sense, the way that I interpret is that it's like there's no limit to creativity. Sky is a limit.
All of the R&D and all of the new technologies that are on the cusp of breaking, nothing's beyond measure. And that's the attitude that we try to carry in our day-to-day life here at API.
When people join API, they see it like a family. Okay, they also see that they share with my vision that we are really making the world better. Okay, because we're constantly innovating, we're constantly developing something useful and helping the industry, helping the world. So people join API, they're proud to be part of API. So we're more than just a company that they just come in to get a paycheck. They just come in to feel that they are making a difference to the world. This is something that I feel very, very proud of.